back. Today we will discuss about the topic changing the mouse setting. As we have discussed earlier about working with the control panel, this topic comes under working with the control panel. We have already discussed about changing date and time and fonts. This is third part, that is changing the mouse setting. Changing the mouse setting means you can change the speed of mouse, either you can change the appearance of mouse, either you can change the functioning of mouse, how it will function, how it will look like while functioning, this and that. So we will see all the things here. Okay, so first we will go in control panel. First we will open control panel. This is control panel in large icon view. Okay, so now we see here one option is there, mouse. So we have to click on mouse. When it will open, you can see there are certain options, certain tabs are there. First one is buttons, second one pointers, then third one pointer option, and fourth one is hardware. By default it is in buttons tab. Okay, now in button what you can do, you can switch the work of button. Means if this time I am clicking with right button, so if I will click here, so the work of button will be changed, swipe. Now I can do that work with left button. Okay, so I can swipe the functioning of button. This time I am doing work with right button. Now if I will click on it, so next time I have to do with it left button. Okay, so I can swipe the setting of mouse button. Okay, left to right. If earlier it is working with left, so now it will work with right. Earlier it is working with right, so now it will work with left. So I can switch the functioning of button. Okay, earlier you are using right button for dragging, now you will use left button. Okay, so this is to swipe the functions of buttons. Now second one is speed, double click speed. Okay, it is slow. If I will click on fast, so see how it will work. So it will work fast. Okay, so it will work fast. It will open in slow speed. Okay, first this time, second this time. Okay, so it is little bit late, so in slow also it is working perfectly. But if I will take this scroll bar in fast, so if I will press first then second, it will not open. Okay, it need speed faster. So first second, now it is opening in fast. Okay, so if I will take it in slow, first then second and second. Okay, so it is working. Okay, now second one we will go in second tab, that is pointer. Okay, in pointer there are different type of pointers are there. Like for normal, select this type of pointer, you will see. For help you will see this type of pointer. For working in background, this type of pointer. For busy, this type of pointer. Okay, so suppose I want to change this pointer, so what I will do, I will first select this pointer, then I will go in browse. In browse you will see certain pointers are there. You can select any one which you want for working in background. Suppose this one. Okay, now this pointer you can see while it is working in background. If I will click on apply, okay, see this is working in background, so it is showing me different kind of pointer. Okay, so now move on to mouse again, pointer. So I have changed the setting of pointer. You can change any pointer setting. For taking it back, you can click on use default, so it will come back again. Okay, so click on apply and okay. Now we have seen the pointer, how pointer will look like, pointer appearance. So it is changing pointer appearing. Okay, now move on to third tab, that is pointer option. Okay, here you can select the speed of the pointer. Suppose I will select the speed slow. So see, this pointer is moving so slow. I am dragging it so fast, but it is moving slowly. But if I will move it in intermediate, it will move little faster. If I will move more fast, then it will, if I will take it in faster. So see, it is not seeing, either you can't see it also, it is moving so fast. Okay, now next one is visibility. Display pointer trail means if I will move pointer, so it will look like this. So if I will click it, so you can see here, if I will click on apply, so you can see 2 or 3 pointer you can see at a time. Okay, for seeing perfectly, I will take it in slow speed. See, 2 and 3 pointer at a time. In intermediate, see, 2 and 3 pointer are seeing at a time. Okay, so this is pointer trail, means if you are moving pointer, its tail is, it is looking like its tail is moving with it. So this is pointer option. So this much is there with changing the mouse setting. Okay, now next topic is replacing double click with single click. Means suppose if I want to open any folder, if I want to open this folder, I have to double click on it. Okay, then it will open. For opening any file, I have to double click on it, so it will open. In single click it will not open. So now I will change the setting of mouse so that it will open in single click. We have to go in file explorer option. Okay, first we have to go in file explorer option. There is one option that is click item as follow. Okay, here it is written double click to open an item. Now I will click on single click to open an item. Okay, under single click there is one more option, underline icon title only when I point at them. So you have to take the circle here only. You don't have to select this one. You have to select second one and single click. When I will apply, then okay. Then again if I will go in desktop, I will single click on it. In single click it is opening. Okay, in single click it is opening. Any other, this PC, in single click, see, it is opening in single click.